Hi, my name is Terry Lee from Sweet Pea Papers and the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, and today this is a flip through of my design team project for Nanine at Collage Type and Tanya over at Tatty Treasure Shop. The kit is called Down the Rabbit Hole, and we actually did this in 3 videos. I have no idea how, except for the fact that I did a whole bunch of work off camera. But all of the basics of what you need to know to make this project are in the 3 videos that precede this flip through. So the first thing is the envelope stack on the front, and this door comes with the kit, also another brown door, and I thought it would be fun to put the door in the front to open the door to go down the rabbit hole, or open the door to go to Wonderland. So you open the door and it's like a wall, and you know, this is like a wall that the door is on, and you open it up and there's a pocket with a tag. You open this one up and there's also a pocket on the side with a tag, and then this tall envelope has a pocket with a tag, but it also has a bookmark sized tag inside. Never take the tags out during a flip through, they never go back. And on this side is a large pocket with a tall tag, and you're invited to the tea party, and of course the white rabbit is late. On this side is another pocket with the rabbit, and here's just a little decoration that says Alice. There's a writing card in here that has writing space on the back. That's why it's called a writing card, I guess. And there's a pocket with another tag, and then of course the Red Queen, and the diverting game of Alice in Wonderland, which is about all the cards, 48 pictorial cards. Let me say, this is a giant kit. There's 64 pages in the kit, and 30 of those pages are ephemera, so you will not run out of things to put in this project. I only cut out half of the pages, and I still had some stuff left over, and so you'll have plenty to choose from. And when you open the last flap, of course, there's a tuck here in this side of the envelope, or a pocket, I mean, with a tag. And then, of course, Alice. Now, once you close this back, oops, you can never fold these back right either on the first try. There's also a surprise in this envelope stack, which is the whole stack opens, and then there's a place to write inside the cover. Okay, then you untie the book. Never tie them during flip throughs either. You untie the book and you open it up, and inside is a tall pocket. And there's going to be a writing card in there that I obviously forgot to do. And then there's some tags on this side, and then there's also a tuck with another tag. On this side is an envelope that flips open. There's a card inside. And when you flip this open, there's a card on the back. I wanted to use as many of the playing cards as I could. Here's an envelope that I made with my envelope punch board, and it opens up, and then all of the extra little pockets are in here in case you want to add something else. I don't know where you'd put it, but you never know. You might want to put something in there and get them back down in there. Okay, and then I used repositionable tape to hold the envelope shut. Okay, then you open the next one, and I wanted to showcase more of the cards that came with the kit because there's a lot, and they have wonderful images on them from the book. And I believe there's some in here from the Looking Glass as well, through the Looking Glass. And I love this. This is my favorite card. These are 3 of the playing cards. This is my favorite card, the Dodo, which you hardly ever see. Hardly ever see this poor little guy. which of course you will not go all the way down because it's the flip through. And then on the last page, I have a belly band with Alice on it, and we have an actual book named This and That, and it's made with actual pages from the kit. It's not a coffee dyed paper book. Everything's printed double-sided for your writing pleasure. And then all we have left is the back, and I didn't put anything on the back. There was so much in the book that I just wanted to be able to close it, actually, and get it done. So that's the flip through of my project. I hope you enjoyed it. I really had a fun time making the tutorial, and I had a great time making the project with the wonderful kit that they had me use. And I will see you in the next video, and that will be just a second for you and a day for me. Bye-bye.